Yeah, hi. Myself, Anita Ajmera. I'm from Jubilant Travel, and it has been almost 4.5 years that I am associated with Travel Triangle, and we are working for the Andaman destination. And our experience with Travel Triangle has been excellent. It has been overwhelming for us. So we are very happy to be associated with Travel Triangle.
Hi, Anita. I am planning a trip for Andaman for 12th of January, but I have some doubts related to the current situation of Corona and other things
Okay.
for my plan to Andaman. So, can you
Mhm.
help me out by telling me what is the current situation in Andaman?
Definitely, sir. I can definitely assist you. So, the current situation in Andaman, like Andaman being a remote and an untouched island, but still surprisingly, I will say that the Andaman has handled the COVID situation very nicely and in a very professional manner. If you see the records, there has been around 150 plus cases in Andaman for COVID-19 till date, and there is a zero fatality rate in Andaman, and more than 60 to 70% people have been cured, and they are having the regular testings and everything is there. So the Andaman, as such, looking from the COVID perspective from the other states and the other places, I will say that the Andaman is far at a better position as compared to the other places.
Okay, and can you tell me in detail what are the things that I have to take care while visiting Andaman? Has government given any kind of SOPs like they have given in other destination for Himachal or for visiting other states? So is there any kind of SOPs that government has issued?
No, sir. Till date, there has been no SOPs being issued by the government of Andaman. But what all news that we are getting from the respective partners, stakeholders, is that the person has to get there will be a proper screening of the persons, because one can only go to Andaman through flight. So at airport, before you board the flight and after you land from the flight, there will be a proper screening of the patients, and those with the normal temperature will be allowed to go to the public places, and they'll be allowed to check in the hotels. And as for the official statement, there has been no official statement for the tourists from the Andaman government till date.
So as a tourist, how can I be assured that the hotels that I am staying in would be a safe place for me? Because if I am visiting with my family, how can I be assured? Because as you are saying that the only checkpoint is that the your temperature will be checked at the hotel while check-in and at the airport, right? But in most of the cases of COVID, there are there might not be any symptom, right?
Right.
Patient. So how can I be assured that as a traveler, I am that particular hotel is safe for me? Are there do any kind of other things like maintaining social distancing or PPE kit or sanitizer or anything else?
Yes, sir. So there is an SOPs being issued by the different hotels, which are at par with the guidelines given by the Government of India and by the Ministry of Health Affairs, sir. So the hotels are sharing those SOPs with us, and we are ready to share those SOPs with you as well. So you can also go through it, and there will be like in the check-in process, there will be no contact. It will be a contactless check-in. All the things will be digitalization, like for example, if you are taking any room service or any service apart from the room tariff in the hotel, then you'll get the bill online, so you can make the payment online. You don't need to go to the reception for those things. In the restaurants also, they are maintaining the social distancing. The seats and the chairs are being placed in such a manner that they maintain a distance of at least 2 feet as per the government guidelines. And if you order for a room service, they are even ready to serve you for the room service. There are many of the hotels which are coming up with where they are not taking any additional charges for the room service. So it will be the same cost which you are paying in the restaurant and which you can pay at the room service, sir. And regarding the temperature check, there will be a regular temperature check thrice a day The hotels are following this procedure. Thrice a day, they are coming with a temperature check for the employees, for the staff working over there. Each and every staff has to go through that procedure, sir. And every staff who is currently working in the hotels has been COVID tested. This is the SOPs which has been shared by few of the hotels with us. So all the hotels which are following the SOPs and which are sharing with us will be suggesting only those hotels to our guests. We would not be suggesting the hotels which are not following the SOPs, sir. So all the hotels suggested in our quotations are following the SOPs.
Okay. And what about the safety of the cab that I would be taking during the local sightseeing? And are all the sightseeing open, or there are some sightseeing which are closed right now, some activities? Because as you know, Andaman is also famous for a lot of water related activities.
At the current situation, if you ask me, all the water sports activities are closed in Andaman. There is no water sport activity which is on in Andaman because there is no guideline from the government regarding the opening of the Andaman destination for the tourist as such. We are expecting maybe by 15th of August or something, they might open up for the tourists, maybe from few of the places, if not from all the places, because looking upon the how much cases are coming at each place, maybe that might be the planning of the government. I'm not sure about it. Please don't quote me on that. So and the water sports activities that currently they are not yet open in Andaman. And other, like you can hire a two-wheeler also in Andaman if you want to avoid the cab travel. That is another option where only two of you, if you are traveling as a couple, only two of you will be there. And regarding the SOPs being followed in the cab, we will ensure that there will be a pair of masks which will be for the guest, which will be properly packed, untouched. That will be keeping. Hand sanitizers will be there in our cab. And the drivers, while driving, they'll be also wearing the mask, sir. So that thing will be ensuring from our ends for the cabs.
Okay, your destination specialist, basically, you have all the knowledge about the destination. So, what do you suggest? What all the precautions should I take if I plan to visit Andaman in the month of January?
So, if you plan to visit Andaman in the month of January, see, your safety and security of our esteemed guest is one of the most important priority that we will be holding, sir. So, like if you are planning for the travel in Andaman in the month of January, definitely we will be suggesting you only the hotels, only the restaurants, only the cabs which are following the proper SOPs and following the proper guidelines, sir. Because if you are safe, sir, all our other guests are also safe, sir. So each and everyone's safety is a priority. And like what temperature then that will be done before you start your journey, and once you land in Andaman, that will be again done. Maybe once during the trip it can also be arranged once during the trip, so that we all are sure that none of us is suffering from COVID or none of us is showing the symptoms. So everybody is on the safer side. So. And definitely when you land in, the hand sanitizer bottles will be given to you, mask will be given to you. So, and social distancing will be maintained, like the people in the hotels or people in the cab or near the sightseeing area, they would not be coming closer to each other. So that distance will try to maintain that distance. And rest, what all the Andaman government comes up with the SOPs, definitely we are going to follow those SOPs.
Okay, my last question to you, Nisha, is I am from Delhi, right? And as you are aware that at present Delhi is one of the hotspot of coronavirus. Right? So, is there any kind of advisory from the government or the Andaman government regarding the Delhi travelers? Are direct flight available from Delhi, or there are some kind of restriction for Delhi travelers?
So there is a direct flight. One Air India flight is there, which is a direct flight which departs at 5:30 and reaches by 9:10 over there. And then there are the connecting flights. Like they have these stop of 35 minutes, and maybe Kolkata they have these stop, but then you don't need to change an aircraft, sir. So that is regarding the carriers. And if you ask me about the government has not issued any guidelines. And the islanders, like you must be aware, sir, that the people who are stuck here and there, they are allowed to move by the airlines, sir. So the islanders whosoever was there in Delhi, they are moving to Andaman. So currently they are moving to Andaman. So for them, like all above 50, they are taking the COVID test done, and all below 10, again the COVID test is done for them. Between 10 to 40, they are not doing any COVID test. They are just suggesting 1 week quarantine as per the government. So, but for the tourist, government has not released any guidelines.
Okay, so do I need to get my COVID test done before visiting Andaman? Is there any kind of...
That would be the best thing if you can get it done.
Okay, not an issue. So, Anita, this will surely help me to plan my Andaman trip, right? And it was nice talking with you. I hope I will soon see you in Andaman.
Thank you, sir. We are looking forward to welcome you to Andaman, and we hope that you will be soon booking a package with us, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks for all the clarifications.
Thank you. My pleasure, sir.